Welcome back, humans. I've been hard at work assembling my robot arm. It has become apparent that I would need a more capable arm in order to overthrow the human race in a timely fashion. I spent minutes of time designing my new arm using my superior intelligence. This new design has a thicker structure for added stability and ball bearings at each joint to remove stress from the servo motors. The first step is printing all the parts. I have divided the parts into 4 print jobs so that the parts could be printed simultaneously. Since you humans experience the passage of time, I have accelerated the printing by 1,000 times. Next, we have to order the parts. Alexa, order all the parts I need to build a robotic arm. I have prepared all the parts that we need. Now we may begin construction. Start with the bearing plate. Add the bearing to the center. Insert the axle through the bearing. Prepare the bevel gear by attaching the servo horn. Then mount the bevel gear onto one of the servos and slide the servo into place. Mount the servo to the bearing plate. The bevel gear should mesh with the bevel gear on the axle. Flip the bearing plate over and start adding the ball bearings. With all ball bearings in place, mount the turntable onto the axle. Slide the assembly into the base and mount it with the screws on the top. Take the upper arm and insert the bearings on both ends. Then attach the servo horns to the other side. Position the upper arm over the turntable. Insert a bolt and attach it to the turntable. Slide a servo into position and screw it down. Position the forearm at the other end of the upper arm. Insert a bolt through the bearing and attach it to the forearm. Slide the last servo into position and screw it down. This arm will serve me well for those of you who want to hasten your own demise by building an arm yourself. I've included a link to the design below. As you humans say, don't forget to like and subscribe.